healthy. So today on the menu we do have tortas, but not just any tortas. We are going to be doing chorizo tortas, okay? So I have a few tips I want to show you guys. So if you guys want to see how I make this, stay tuned to watch and let me show you. All right, you guys, for our ingredients today, we have chorizo. Now I want to talk to you guys about this chorizo, okay? So this one is actually pork. I usually go and get the beef chorizo, but they were all out, so this is the best I can get. But this is a different chorizo. So you know how usually we'll buy chorizo and it comes in that tube from the stores? Those are good. Those are definitely good with your eggs in the morning and your tortillas. Those are good. But this chorizo is different. It's more of a meat chorizo. If you've ever gone to any parties and they've had like a taquiza, man, this is usually the chorizos they're using for the tacos that they're making, okay? It's more meaty, it's more flavorful in my opinion. So if you have the chance to buy this one, highly recommend going to your deli at any of your Mexican markets and getting the chorizo there, okay? We have some sour cream, whichever one you guys want. This is the one I usually prefer to get. Some mayonnaise just to go ahead and put on our bolillos when we're toasting them up on the comal. We have some mozzarella cheese, and we also have some frijoles that I had left over from making it. If you guys want to know the recipe on how I make these, go ahead and leave a thumbs up in the comments below, and I'll go ahead and set up a video for you guys, all right? I do want to talk to you guys about these bolillos. Now, of course, you can use any bread for a torta. Definitely not a sliced bread, but you want to get like a roll type bread when you're making the tortas. This one actually is fresh from the deli. We went to the bakery and the lady there actually was pulling them right out of the oven, so I was lucky. If you get a chance to get there when they're fresh, I highly recommend them. These are nice and soft. They're perfect, okay? All right, you guys, first things first, we're gonna go ahead and fry up our chorizo. So I've been having this on the stove on high heat for about 15 minutes now, and it's just about done. You see it still has oil like normal chorizo. That's really just the fat. And it's a lot less than the stick ones that you'd buy at the store. And it smells amazing, you guys. This was 3 pounds, okay? So you can see how much it melts down, but it's still a lot. All right, so this is just about done. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off, and we're gonna go to our bread, okay? All right, you guys, so I do have my pan here on the stove. I went ahead and cut my bolillos up right in half, okay? They were like this, I sliced them in half. I went ahead and did a nice layer of mayonnaise. This is really gonna help toast the bread when it's on here, okay? If you don't know that tip, now you do. You can use that for your grilled cheeses, anything really when you're toasting it up, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and put 2 on here because I have a lot of people to feed here in this house today. So you guys are gonna go ahead and let these toast up. I have the heat on about medium heat. It's not gonna take long for this to toast, okay? Do not walk away and forget about it, all right? If you flip it over now, you'll see the mayonnaise is starting to melt. It's perfect. All right, you guys, I've been tossing them around. We got some few good toasts on here. Woo! Okay. Look at that. A nice toast. All right. Go ahead and take them off the grill. And we're gonna assemble our sandwiches now, okay? All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and start plating our sandwich. First things first, throw on our frijoles. All right, a nice layer. Now we're gonna go ahead and put on our chorizo. All right. Nice layer of chorizo. While the chorizo's hot, we're gonna throw on our mozzarella. It's a nice layer. And this is optional, you guys, but I did take an avocado. I mashed it up a little bit, if you guys can see, with some lime, salt, and pepper. And I'm just gonna do a nice layer of that on the other half of the bolillo. All right, and the crema, you guys, is also optional. I'm just gonna put a little drizzle of that too. All right, so good layer. All right. All right, just a little drizzle of that on there. Nothing crazy. Add more if you want. I just really like just a little bit. All right, now we're gonna take that top layer and just pop it on, okay? A good squish. Grab a good serrated knife, 2 hands. Okay? Look at those layers. You see that, guys? You have that chorizo just dripping into that bolillo. Just soaking it all up. You see that? Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Let's check this one out. Looks so good, you guys, okay? That bread is so soft. You got a layer of avocado, a layer of chorizo, and it's toasted with the frijoles. It's delicious. I hope you guys try it out, okay?